up really early, so let's go. My H2O vibes are on today. I decided to change earrings because those kind of felt a little much. Time to slather myself in sunscreen. We're almost there!
You pull your hair on the back slit. You know I like it like that. The other girls in the backseat.
We're getting smoothies. I don't know if you can hear me, but I got an island green smoothie with whey protein in it, and it's so yummy. They have Sarah, but they don't have Sarah. But they do have Sarah, but they don't have it. Oh my gosh, it's a lot lighter than it looks. This is where my brain goes. I'm like, imagine if we put jewelry in here. That is so cute. We got vegan garlic knots. Funny enough, I've put so much sunscreen on and I got sunburnt and my eyes are burning from all the sunscreen, but I still got sunburnt, so we have cake. I bought carrot cake that's 25% off and a coconut lemon cake, which lemon cake has been something I have been craving and now I have it. My boyfriend got a little cookie sandwich. All right, let's give the, oh my god, my eyes are burning right now. Like I could barely even see or talk. The carrot cake a shot.
You have tissue, make sure you wipe your eyes out.
Alright, let's give it a shot. I don't know why it was 25% off. Maybe it was sitting out all day. I don't know. That's amazing. Alright, let's give it a shot. Oh my god, I've been craving lemon cake. This is my favorite cake ever. Whoa, I look burnt and my eyes hurt, but this is amazing. I don't know if I'm crazy. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I only really eat the icing and a little bit of the cake because I'm here for the good part. Like, I don't care about the cake, but this actually has really good cake, so I'll actually eat the whole thing. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I ended up not filming anything else because we kind of just sat on the beach for a little bit longer and then we had to go home because those cakes were gonna go bad. But I had a really wonderful time. It was just so relaxing and I feel really good except for the fact that I'm sunburnt and my skin hurts. But I had a good time. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe because that would mean the whole world to me. I'm going to finish my cake, which the other one's already gone. The same thing with the cookie. But I'm gonna enjoy my cake. Bye!